Well, it looks like eBay has made another change. Oh boy. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the poor lighting for this video. I normally don't do videos early in the morning like this. It's about 7 a.m. here on the Oregon coast. I usually wait till later in the day so I can open up the shades and allow some spill light in to kind of balance things out. But I felt like getting this video out was really important because eBay has made another major change. And I just wanted to let you guys know about it. So I'm going to take you on my computer and show you what that change is. And just want to get your thoughts on that. Okay, so let's go on my computer right now. Okay, guys, here we are on my computer. Now, first, let me tell you about what the change is. eBay, I don't know why they've done this, but what they've done is they've taken all the postcard categories, the multiple subcategories and everything, which really defined which postcard you had and where it was supposed to go. And they have lumped everything into two different categories. You know, they used to have categories like, collectibles, postcards, aircraft, collectibles, postcards, trains, collectibles, postcards, cities and towns, collectibles, postcards, other collectible postcards, collectible postcards, art. You know, just all these subcategories where you could really narrow down as to where you could really target where you wanted your postcards to go. But now what they've done is they have lump summed everything into two categories, either topographical postcards or non-topographical postcards. So basically, just so you know, a topographical postcard, or a topo, what we call for short, is anything to do with a city or town or location, maybe even a country, anything that has a location attached to it. You know, and a non-topographical postcard would be considered something like a piece of artwork or an airplane, you know, some kind of inanimate object, not particularly a location. Okay, but that's what eBay's done. And they made the announcement, they did make the announcement that they were going to do this on October 12th. And guess what? Today is October 12th. And I was just in my eBay account, I was starting some listings and I noticed it. And I'm like, oh, they've made the change. Now, I don't know if this affects item specifics. I looked through my item specifics and it doesn't seem like it's affecting that. But I just want to show you a couple of examples here. Like, here's an example of vintage postcard, San Francisco, California, Fisherman's Wharf. This is a very popular card that I've sold many times. And I'm going to scroll up here a little bit. And under categories up here, see, it says collectibles, postcards and supplies, postcards, and topographical postcards. This is the default setting now that eBay has chosen. Now, I know you can change the category, but I don't know if you change the category if eBay is going to change it back. You know, I don't know, because it's a new thing they're doing. And if you go to this other example, here's a shot of one of my airplanes, TWA Aircraft 747 in flight. And I'm going to scroll up here and it says collectibles, postcards and supplies, postcards, non-topographical postcards. So this one right here at the top says topographical, and this one says non-topographical. And that's it. No subcategories anymore, just topographical or non-topographical. And I don't know if that's going to affect search. Okay, you know, when we put our things, you know, keywords are really important right now, and in your item description as well. Make sure your keywords are right on target and very, accurate, because if changing this category and eliminating all those subcategories is going to affect search, then all we have to go left on when people are searching for our postcards is the keywords and the title and the description. So I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I don't know how or if it's going to even affect search. Maybe eBay did it just a way to condense things. I don't know. But it's a major thing because there are no subcategories anymore. We can't accurately put something in a subcategory that really, hones it in as to what kind of card it is. It's either a topographical card or a non-topographical card, and that's it. Okay, so we'll have to see. I'd like to know your thoughts on this. Feel free to leave it in the comments. But I don't know if this is a good thing or maybe not a good thing. I don't know. We'll have to see how sales go. But feel free to share in the comments if you've had a dip in sales because of this change or not. And let's have a conversation about it. Okay? Just thought I'd let you know. And I guess that's it for now. But you guys have a great day. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.